Is your Windows 10 PC taking forever to boot up? Learn how to fix slow startup issues and dramatically speed up your computer with this simple step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First step, click on Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Privacy. On left menu pane, scroll down, click on Background app, and here lot of background apps are running and it slow down your boot performance. Now turn off background app and make sure all background apps are turned off. Now close settings. Now second step, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type powercfg.cpl and then click on OK. And power options are opened. By default, high performance is selected. You have to select balanced and it's recommended. And it will optimize your PC performance. Now close power options. Now go to third step. Right click on taskbar, click on task manager and then click on startup tab and here disable all startup apps. Right click on app, click on disable or select app and click on disable button on lower right corner. In this way, you should disable all startup apps and it will speed up your Windows 10 booting. Now close Task Manager and next step, click on Search. In search type Advanced and click on View Advanced System Settings. Then click on Advanced tab and under Performance, click on Settings. Here in Visual Effects, Best Appearance is selected and all of these services are turned on and selected. Now click on Best Performance. All of these services and apps are deselected right now. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Click on OK again. Fifth step, go to Search. In Search type Disk Cleanup. Right click on Disk Cleanup and then click on Run as Administrator. Select your local drive C and then click on OK. Disk cleanup is calculating. Now select all options from here and then click on OK. And then click on delete files and all temporary files are deleting and cleaning up the system disk C. Now the last step, go to search and type defragment and optimization. Then click on defragment and optimization. Click on remove customized settings. Select your system drive C and then click on optimize. The optimization process is started and it will make your boot time faster. These are the best ways to optimize your computer to increase the boot speed on your Windows 10 computer.